A body is thrown vertically upwards from the top A of a tower. It reaches the ground in t1 second. If it is thrown vertically downward from A with same speed, it reaches in time t2. If it is allowed to fall freely, then the time taken to reach the ground we have to find. So let us draw the diagram showing the three cases. In the first case, the ball is thrown upward from the top of the tower. So suppose this is the tower or the building. Ball is thrown upward with u, and in the second case, the ball is thrown downward with velocity u, and in the third case, the ball is dropped from initial velocity 0 or rest. So the time taken during the motion in the first case is t1, during the second motion is t2, and during the third case it is t. So we have to find t in terms of t1 and t2. So the first thing to notice is that in the case 1 and case 2, in the case 1, the ball will first go up, come to rest, and it will come down. It will come to the same level as the top of the tower, and then again it will further go down. So when it comes to the same level as the top of the tower, its velocity will become u downward, and from this instant to the ground level, it will take time t2. The time taken to reach the topmost point is equal to u by g, and again come down to the topmost point of the tower. Again it will take u by g. So we have t1 is equal to u by g plus u by g, that is 2u by g plus t2, or 2u by g is equal to t1 minus t2. So let's call it first equation. Also using case 2, we can say if the displacement is minus h, if the height of the building is h, so we have using s is equal to ut plus half at square minus h is equal to minus u into t2 minus g by 2 into t2 square, or h is equal to ut2 plus g by 2 into t2 square. Let's call it second equation. Now using the third case, we have displacement is equal to minus h, u is 0, acceleration is minus g, time taken is t, so we have h is equal to gt square by 2. Let's call it third equation. So let's substitute the value of h from equation 3 in equation 2. So we have gt square by 2 is equal to ut2 plus g by 2 into t square. Now substitute the value of u from first equation. Gt square by 2 is equal to t1 minus t2 into g by 2 into t2 plus half g t2 square. Simplifying this, we will get g by 2 cancelled on both sides. So t square is equal to t1 t2 minus t2 square plus t2 square, or t square is equal to t1 t2. So t is equal to square root of t1 t2. So it is the third option.